everyone, my name is Aqila Najma from Budi Mulia 2 High School, Yogyakarta. I am excited to present my research for the Indonesian Science Project Olympiad in the environmental science category. The title of my research is Characterization of Tensile Strength Test and Evaluation the Effect of Hydrophobic Coating with Chitosan and Beeswax on Bioplastic Agar. As awareness of environmental issue grows, plastic waste remain a major concern, while biodegradable plastic offer a promising alternative, but their poor water resistance limit their practicality. To address this issue, a protective coating is needed to enhance their durability. Previous research on chitosan beeswax-coated bioplastic has not effectively determined their tensile strength. This study aims to improve the water resistance of bioplastic by optimizing the concentration of chitosan and beeswax and evaluating their effects on the material's properties. This research has three main goals. The first one, develop water-resistant bioplastic to make them more practical. And the second one is find the optimal concentration of chitosan and beeswax for the best results. And the third one, which is the last one, is analyze how the coating affect the bioplastic properties, especially for the tensile strength and water resistance. This research has Here are the tools and materials needed, namely beakers, hot plate stirrer, spatula, measuring pipette, pot, Erlenmeyer flask, glass stirrer, glass funnel, mold, thermometer. And for the materials, there is distilled water, agar powder, chitosan, acetic acid, glycerol, beeswax, and 2-propanol. And there is also a comparison concentration between chitosan and beeswax. The first step for the methodology is bioplastic production from agar. Agar powder mixed with 1% glycerol solution and heated to 90 degrees Celsius while stirring. And then the mixture poured into molds and dry under the sunlight for 24 hours till 30 hours. The second step is synthesis of hydrophobic coating. First, we have beeswax dissolved in 2-propanol, and in the other way, we have chitosan dissolved in 1% acetic acid. After that, beeswax and chitosan mixed together. For the coating application, the mixture is applied evenly in the plastic surface. For the testing method, first one, we have hydrophobicity test using iPhone camera and angle measurement apps. And after that, we are doing functional group analysis. We have two versions of tensile strength test. The first one, we're using tensile test machine, and the second one, we use manual way, which is using this stuff. For the result and discussion, first there is hydrophobicity. It is known from the graph of the contact angle test results that the variation of beeswax with fixed chitosan 0.5%, the result, the higher the concentration of beeswax, the better the contact angle result. But the best results obtained are from the variation of 1% chitosan and 0.5% beeswax, due to the presence of NH3 plus groups in chitosan and fatty acid from beeswax form bonds optimally. From the data of the two attached graphs, it can be seen that the tensile test using a conventional Newton meter is not reliable because the final result is not accurate because it does not give a tendency to decrease or increase from the tensile test results. While the test result using a tensile test machine give data that has a tendency regarding to the previous research. The following graphic is the result of FTIR that proves the existence of a bond between chitosan and beeswax. The attached picture is the result of FTIR from 1% chitosan and 0.5% beeswax concentration, where they are the best results for hydrophobic. From the results of the research that has been carried out, it can be concluded that first, the use of a mixture of chitosan and beeswax can increase the hydrophobic properties of agar-based bioplastic. Second, the optimal concentration of chitosan and beeswax in increasing the hydrophobicity properties of agar bioplastic is 1% of chitosan and 0.5% beeswax. Third, the addition of chitosan and beeswax can increase the tensile strength of agar-based bioplastic based on the tensile lab test, and the best concentration is 0.5% chitosan and 2% beeswax.